Hi, I'm Corey's Mom A. I'm talking to you from inside the greenhouse my husband repaired by Tuesday that had been blown away by high winds. We live just below a mountain in Zone 8A, North Carolina, and we can get some very crazy weather. We have 4 seasons, but it can get very cold for this area, and it can get very hot in the summer. So my greenhouse to me is very, very important. But I wanted to share some of the things that I rescued. One of the things that I rescued is I had a lot of lettuce growing. This is, I think it's called butterhead lettuce, but this was one of my rescues that I wanted to share because I lost a lot of my seedlings and cuttings. I was able to save a few. I have some chives that have just started.